Over the past few years, we have seen many people begin to make their money online in a wide variety of different ways, whether it be through YouTube or Fiverr or other major or minor websites. Freelancing is undoubtedly one of the best ways to earn money online and can make you hundreds if not thousands of dollars. If you find the right niche to work in, you can earn lots for doing very little or something you love to do. Any kind of service you can think of could be requested, so there will always be work for you to do. Today on Top Marks, we will be taking you through some of the best ways to make money online in 2022. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe and comment on how you will make your money online. You may be asking what freelancing is. Freelancing is a type of self-employment. Instead of being employed by a company, freelancers tend to work as self-employed, delivering their services on a contract or project basis. Freelancers can make great money and don't have to abide by many rules regular people working 9-5s have to, but how do you start? Firstly, you should pick the site you want to provide your services on. There are many different options such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, People Per Hour, and so much more. Each of the sites are slightly different, so you should definitely research each site before choosing, or choose multiple to boost your clients. Then you will need to pick the service you will offer, which can be extremely difficult. To do this effectively, you'll need to understand how your skills can help a prospective client. Try to put yourself in the shoes of your ideal client. What problems do they have, and how can your skills be used to resolve the issue? It's essential to recognize that clients are looking for a solution to a problem. To be a successful freelancer, you need to understand the client's situation and use your service to address their issue. The answer to these questions will be the foundation of how you package your skills as a service. Now you need to make a short description of what you do. Try to concisely explain what you can do, how you do it, and for what type of business/client. Now you'll need to find a target audience. Start by identifying the type of clients that will be a good fit for your service. Do these clients have a shared problem and common characteristics? Are they in a specific industry? For most freelancers, there are 3 ways to acquire clients. Freelance job posting platforms leverage existing connections and networking marketing, advertising, and outreach. Understanding which of these options works best for you is key to finding relevant clients for your services. Once you have clearly defined your service and your target market, it's time to set your price. The goal is to maximize the amount you're paid without losing out on potential jobs. So, start by looking at your competitors in the market. What are they charging for similar freelancing services? There is no perfect price point, so you will have to jump this hurdle on your own. After all this, you should start getting clients. If you have done it correctly, begin to make a portfolio on your profile of your completed work so people visiting your profile can see what you have done and know what to expect from you. Just keep up with your clients and you are well on your way to be making hundreds if not thousands of dollars. This is definitely one of the best ways to make money online, but if you would like to see some other ways to make great money online, check out my other videos and remember to subscribe and comment below how you will make your money online. That is all for now. This has been Top Marks. Goodbye.